name is Jareen Bautista, and I'm back again at CSA Medical Aesthetics for another non-surgical nose enhancement. The very first time I was here was in 2021 when I had my very first non-surgical nose experience. And the very first time I was scared, but after seeing results, the first time, the second time, the third time, there was always, it always made sense in my features. It was an enhancement without altering so much of how I look. Why I always choose CSA to have my procedures, non-surgical nose procedures done is because we have a trusted doctor at CSA Medical Aesthetics. We have a gifted medical aesthetician who knows how to make you beautiful, who knows how to make the experience almost pain-free. So I've always trusted CSA Medical Aesthetics with everything about my face. The idea of surgery to me is it's way beyond what I can imagine. I cannot imagine putting something so foreign in your face and changing how you look permanently. Whereas with a non-surgical nose procedure, I feel like I am at ease with an enhancement that puts in materials on your face that are actually in your body. Hyaluronic acid is in your body. And I feel like how it disintegrates over time and integrates into your features gives me a comfort that I will still look like myself. At the end of the day, I look in the mirror and I still see my face, my nose, and basically me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep yourselves updated with CSA Medical Aesthetics.
Hello everyone, I'm with Jareen and it's our 5th time of our maintenance treatment for non-surgical nose enhancement. How are you, Jareen?
Oh, I'm very good, thank you. I'm so excited. I've always loved my look after the non-surgical.
Exactly, and it's still Jareen. Plus, I'm looking at the anatomy right now. I noticed that the appearance, it's kind of still the improved one. It did not go back to the original kind of nose you had, right? So we still have an improved radix here, and so far the nasal tip is still projected, which is good. Plus, you know, the sequence when we did it, like interval of like the first time, right, a year later, and then the third time, it's like more than a year later, right?
Yes.
So look at that. So the effect is still long-lasting.
Natural still.
Natural. Plus, you can see the improvement over time because we know we have tissue buildup. So it also will prevent aging, delay aging, because you're also preventing the so-called atrophy of aging. You know, as time passes by, tissues, soft tissues, they kind of, you know, get reduced or decreased. That's why we have the so-called letter Ds of aging: descent, deflation, deterioration. So this is also one way of like delaying the aging, preventing the aging. And how young are you again?
26.
And oh, you're 26.
26.
Is that the marrying age?
It is the marrying age.
And that's why you're also here in preparation
for my wedding.
Yay! Advanced congratulations.
Thank you so much, Doctora.
Okay, we'll start with the procedure. And as with any non-surgical treatment, of course, we cleanse the skin, we put numbing cream, we leave it for about like 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And apart from putting on the numbing cream, we also have to inject a lidocaine, okay? So the tip of the nose, then we have the entry point here. We'll just inject with our tumescent anesthesia. And then I'll make a tiny prick for this entry area. And I will still add a little bit of my hyaluronic substance to still restore volume. So I'm using a gauge 22 cannula, and I'll light it in a so-called layer 4. You're good, Joreen?
Yes.
Okay. So just a little amount of this one. Then I'll still advance it up. So we still have a good space here. The good thing that we've been doing with Joreen, every time we had the procedure, we were doing like a subtle treatment, remember? So we were using like minimal amount of nose threads, PDO threads, or polydioxanone threads. We say less is more, right? So over time, there's this buildup of natural soft tissues. So we're already in the radix part. There you go. And then we'll pull it out. And then I'll place threads for the bridge region. So anatomically speaking, we want the material to be in the layer 4. That's it, in between the fibrous muscular layer and the periosteal and perichondrial layer. That's one. I think every time we inject threads, we were using only 5 pieces, right, Joreen? That's why our treatment was really like subtle, gradual improvement. Because you don't want to totally alter your Asian nose. We just want to enhance, make it like within the proportions, ratios, and make it harmonious to your facial contour, and just balance your face profile. There you go. So we're done with the bridge area. Let's do the tip columella. So I redirect my entry point towards the tip columella space. We have the so-called intercrura space here. So this is my cannula gauge 22. We'll direct it into the space, columella space, and I'll push a little bit of my product. This has a lidocaine, so in a little while you'll feel numb. So just a little bit of a material there, and a 30mm length polydioxanone. Still, the polydioxanone is a good material. It's still a safe one. So you're feeling the pressure. Okay. Just use this first one here. This is just a short one. Then it's a bit thick. And then we'll proceed to the second. So I just need to reach the so-called anterior nasal spine. And the last one. Now, Joreen is a stage actress. Very expressive. And last time, I noticed on her forehead, there was that line in between the eyebrows, right? So she has the so-called frown line, glabella line here. And the way to treat that is some injections of our botulinum toxin. We just want to relax this just a little bit. So this is our botulinum toxin into the procerus muscle and the left corrugator and the right corrugator, and a little bit of the tail of those corrugators, and we're done. So we did it, and let's show the result to Joreen when we return. And we're back, so let's show the result to Joreen. Joreen, here's the mirror.
I'm excited.
Yeah,
Oh,
look at that.
so beautiful.
Right? Beautiful to more beautiful.
Yes.
Still natural.
Very natural. Especially, I've done this. This is my 5th time.
Yep.
So it looks funny at the beginning because it's just been injected. Tama
Right.
ba? But after, maybe for me, at least, it varies perhaps client to client. But for me, after 5 days, it really starts to make sense in your features. It
Right.
integrates, and parang the threads disintegrate, pero it integrates into your features. Dun siya, that's when it's really beautiful. But from
Correct.
now, I already see the structure, how beautiful it is, but that's not its peak glory. Not yet.
Right. So actually, it blends with the soft tissues like few days after, because right now, you know, with the injection of the anesthesia and the insertion of the filler in the threads, so it has not yet integrated well. But like few days later, you'll notice it's improving more, and even weeks and months after,
Exactly.
you'll see a better contour of your nose, and it's so natural. And it blends well with the face contour,
Yes.
right? Because we want a balanced, proportioned, and harmonized results. So like, of course, if your nose is petite, your face is petite,
Yes,
something
yes.
like that. But you don't want like a petite face and then your nose is,
Yeah, to not
bigger than the petite face. So something that is also balanced. We're Asians, eh? We have
Yeah.
petite face, petite nose. So, and it's cute, right? And it's something natural. And when you look at the mirror, you love what you see.
yes.
And it boosts your confidence, when you
Definitely.
face people. And on your big event,
Oh,
the
my
more
God.
confident you will be.
Definitely.
Right?
I see pictures from the before the first time I had my non-surgical nose enhancement, and when I look at the picture, I know there's something different, but at the same time I cannot pinpoint that, she
Right.
got her nose done.
Yeah.
It's more of a, she matured, her bones matured, her bones started to look beautiful in her face.
Correct. That's the nice way to put it, right? So perfect. Beautiful. Thank you, Jureen.
Thank you, Doctora.
Yeah. Imagine we've done this, like, this is the fifth time. And then an interval of, like, there was a 1 year interval, there was like a 2 years interval, but over time it's still getting better and better.
Yeah.
And I think when we were doing it, we just were placing minimum number of threads and hyaluronic substance. So we want a result that's still kind of like gradual, but over time you'll appreciate it. Yeah? And it's reversing the aging process.
Yes, I do it again and again so long as it's Doctora.
Like parang
touching my
yearly,
face.
no? Mas maganda ng paganda. Mas nagbi-build ng nagbi-build.
Yeah.
That's the one that you were explaining a while ago, right? So this is the non-surgical nose enhancement. So it is safe. As you can see, we've been like 5 years already,
Yes.
right? So Miss Doreen is like, she's just young, like a living example
Yes.
of the benefits of this non-surgical nose procedure. Because others are still scared of this treatment. So there are people who are like, it could be like, there could be some bad effects. It could ruin my nose, something like that.
You hear that here and there, but I never experienced any bad effects. Maybe the second day it's swollen and
Yeah.
feels heavy. That's
Yeah.
all. But that's all. Then it's gone by the third day.
Yeah, and it's also important that you have it done by professionals, by experts. Because, any procedures that we do, whether it be surgical or non-surgical, there are also risks or any adverse effects if done incorrectly, and if the material that were used were also incorrect, or like the materials are not the ones that are, legit, or they don't have the FDA approval, no scientific studies. So you have to really go to the experts, because these treatments, when we do like injections, whether we like it or not, there will be risk of infections, or there could be the thread migration. So doctors know what to do, and doctors know how to prevent those possible complications, because you've been hearing like non-surgical nose thread lifting gone wrong. So like, if something wrong happened, if you are with an expert doctor or a trained practitioner, they know what to do. They know how to manage some of those complications, because we are individuals with unique responses or reactions to any treatment. Sometimes there are like individuals who cannot predict what is their response to treatments like this. That's why you go to doctors only. Yeah, especially in the Philippines, because we have the law that in the Philippines, injections like this should be done by licensed physicians. I know there are other countries that they allow like nurses or aestheticians. Okay, so there are countries they allow that, but I think in the Philippines, up to now, it's still the law.
Which is for our safety also.
Correct. Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's important that you're having it done safely and correctly. There you go. Thank you so much.
I cannot stress how happy I have been with the results of getting this. I did not think about it before, but when it was the idea was introduced to me, it changed my life and how how happy I am with my face without really changing, without seeing a change in the way I look. So my message is, if there's, I mean, take care, love yourself, and part of loving yourself is finding ways to enhance your beauty, enjoying the process of what you deem, like what you find beautiful.
Right.
And yeah, that's it. That's my message.
Thank you. Very well said. Yan. If you have any questions, you may email us at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com, our FB page, CSA Medical Aesthetics, Instagram, CSA Medical Aesthetics. Our clinic is located here at the Infinity Shop, Pulong Maragul, Angeles City. Contact number 0933-860-9193 or 0917-504-4268. I think we have 4 episodes of you.
We do, yeah. 4 episodes.
The previous episodes, about 4. So you can just check at our YouTube channel, Contessa Salvador. So thank you so much. God bless you all. When it comes to natural beauty, you can trust the CSA Medical Aesthetics.